Meet John White, an artist turned colony leader.
Go to America! Build me a glorious colony!
But Your Majesty, I am merely a painter.
You leave at dawn! Do not fail me!
Oh dear, I shall pack extra canvas then.
Welcome to Roanoke, a miserable, muddy, rain-soaked nightmare.
We're all going to die out here!
Not a single biscuit left. This is disastrous.
Do not panic! I will return very soon! What if the wild beasts eat us alive?
Just carve a message on a tree trunk.
Yes, a tree carving will definitely save us.
Farewell, my friends! Paint you a beautiful landscape!
Unfortunately, John's quick trip took 3 long years.
I really should have packed more canvas today.
Suddenly, a massive Spanish armada blocked his path. Cannons roared, and John's quick trip was ruined.
I'm the paint locomotives!
Months turned into years, literally.
Oh, come on, I just dried off!
I don't even remember what paint tastes like. Finally! I hope they saved me some berries.
3 long years later, John finally returned.
Fear not, dear colonists, your savior has arrived!
Hello? Did you all go to the pub?
The settlement was completely and utterly deserted.
What in the Queen's name is this?
Only one cryptic clue was left behind.
Is this some sort of local inside joke?
And they were never seen again.